Hi, this is Gareth from Buying Cheap, here to introduce the iGame family from LNX. Now what it's like a cheaper version of the Nintendo Wii, and it's also an iPod docking station. So I'll just show you how it works. We have it all plugged in here. So I'll show some of the games. So I'll start with bowling. Now, unlike the Wii, you don't need to put anything on your TV. You just hook up the controller and you can play it straight away. So there's 10 games that come preloaded with this, and the bowling is one of them. So you can see it gives you examples of how to use it. And I'll just do a bit of bowling here. So. Okay, so that's the bowling. I'll just give you some other examples. Actually, the crystal ball one's quite good. So this is just a game where you try and get 3 colours of the same ball together. A little bit like Tetris, you're trying to clear the screen. So I've got a green ball, that gets rid of that. Over to blue. So that's not going anywhere. So you get the idea of that. And one of the ones I liked on the Wii was the tennis show. I'll show you the tennis. You can choose different characters to use. Different types of courts.
Screen.
Not so good there. That's a wee bit better. So I'll just quit this, and as I said, it can also be used as an iPod docking station, connects to your TV. So I just click this button to go into iPod. This is my iPod Touch. Just connect that. So this is the menu on the iPod. Again, using this controller, you can play your videos, you can play your music. So I'll just give you an example of the music. And you can come out while you're playing that. So I want to switch the song. And you can see where possible, like on the iPod, it will give you the image of the actual album. And then same as everything else on the TV, you can use this for volume down and up. So good for a party, good to sit down if you want to get great sound. So I'll just stop that. So I hope you liked that. I hope that gave you a good idea of the iGame family, and thanks very much. Bye.